Let me see your toy. You gonna let me see it? Here, hold it back up. Let me see it. Let go. Let go. I'm gonna give it back. I'm gonna give it back. You want it? Reach for it. There you go. Good job. What about this hand? You want the toy? Yeah, Leah wants it. You're finding it. You're so smart. Here. Open your hands back up. You gotta grab it right. What about this hand? Did we not even up yet? Did we just laying in the bed chilling? Yes. You gonna play with it? You're getting so strong, Leah. Look at your little belly button all poking out. Say hi. That was good. Okay. Hey, we're gonna say bye. We're gonna say bye. Bye, Leah. Fine.